Setting visual styles. A visual style is the appearance of the object in the graphics window. We can see it in different ways. Remember, this is only on the screen. So if we're working in our 3D model, we go over to View, and then in our Appearance panel, we have Visual Styles. If I hit the down arrow, I'll start with Realistic. A realistic view makes it look like it has realistic materials, whatever its materials are. If it's gold or chrome, it's going to make it look as if it is gold or chrome. So it's the most realistic view we have. And if we go to shaded, a shaded is the default by Inventor. It's used to shade the faces with standard materials and colors. So it's a very simplified, and the visible and hidden edges are turned off in this particular one. Now if we go to shaded with edges, now we see the edges, and you can see how the edges got turned on here. It's still the same shade, but you now see the edges with a little darker object lines. And now we'll go to shaded with hidden edges, and now you see all the hidden edges that are that you don't see would be represented as hidden lines and displayed as dash lines. So it's like we were drawing a 2D drawing of that. We also could go to wireframe, where we just see the edges of the objects itself. I don't find this very useful anymore, but every once in a while, you never know. And then we also have wireframe with hidden edges. Now this works a little better, but you still get all those hidden lines in the background. And then we have wireframe with visible edges only. Now this one isn't so bad. It does gives us the basics of what the object looks like if we drew it with line work. And we also have monochrome. Monochrome is either black or it's white. So monochrome, either black or white type thing, and the edges and the visibilities of those hidden lines are turned off. We go to watercolor. It looks like it's been hand painted with watercolors, so it gives it more of an artistic look. And in particular, a lot of times you might want to do this when you want to convey to your client that the part is still in design and it's not finished and ready for use. Also, we have another artistic one, which is illustration, which gives it a hand-drawn look, and so therefore it looks as though somebody sketched it by hand. These come in really handy as well when you're trying to convey that the part is still in conceptual design, not in a finished product, or if you're trying to use this in some artistic type of presentation. So using our visual styles, this is how we can control things on our screen to see how they look like. And you can change these at any time, whatever you find is necessary to help you see the object while you're designing the object. So once again, we want to go over to our view, into our appearance, go to our visual style and set it, and the default is shaded. That's the Inventor default.